You can utilize your cooking skills to make extra cash. Happy Friday, everyone. Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my videos, and please consider subscribing. And if you are my subscriber returning to watch my videos, thank you so much. Today's video is about cooking as a side hustle. I love cooking when I'm off. Aside from my full-time job, I do cook for cash, and the extra money I make from that helps me to cover for my small expenses like fueling my car and paying for groceries. So it's a good side hustle for someone who is interested. For anyone who has cooking skills, this is definitely a side hustle to try. And even when you don't have cooking skills, you can learn them. No one is born with cooking skills. You can learn and skill, and then you could start making money out of it. And this side hustle can be done by both men and women. So if you're a man, don't be afraid of trying this cooking side hustle. Know that the greatest or the best chefs in the world are actually men. Don't let women dominate in the cooking field. Start this side hustle by being generous. And by being generous, I mean cooking a meal, sharing it for free with your friends, with your local church. If you share meals in church, sometimes you can share your meals for free with your community, and share it in your Facebook groups and tell people that you do cook for money, but at first you want to give your meals for free so that people can try it. I do the same thing. So give people, if they like your meal, they will definitely come back to buy from you. Now let's talk about pricing. Pricing is going to be at your discretion. You are the one who knows what costs you incurred to prepare that meal. And also remember to pay yourself, to get income from what you're doing. In US, labor is very expensive. So if I'm spending an hour to make chapatis or mandazis, I have to charge a price that is reasonable enough so that I can also earn from it. Make sure all the costs are factored in and include labor so that you can earn. There are so many side hustles nowadays, especially in the transport industry. Here in the US, most people do Uber Eats, Rodi, what else? And some people do DoorDash, and so many other side hustles. But I like this particular side hustle because I work from my own kitchen. Like, that is working from home and making some cash. For now, I sell locally for people who want to make an order and pick up. But in future, I might start shipping depending on demand. If you live in my area and you need a sample, contact me so that I can prepare a sample for pickup, pick it up, test it, and see if it's something that you want to buy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please share this video with anyone who is interested in cooking as a side hustle, or anyone who is interested in placing an order with me so that I can prepare mandazis and chapatis for them. And consider trying this side hustle because you work from the comfort of your own home. See you in my next video.